gulay.
Of course, but it's a vegetable, sir.
Yeah, for vegetables and soy.
Oh my God!
Soy sauce.
Just be careful when you're doing this.
Yeah, really.
Be careful. You should do it quick. I'll just put it here, just like that.
You put a little bit of color there, you see?
Our viewers are getting hungry right now. I
Yeah.
believe.
But just sit down there and relax.
Chef Michael, where did you learn how to cook again? What school
Actually,
did you study?
I came from a family of
Oh, chef. No.
my family loves to cook,
Okay.
but there is no.
It's a good thing it didn't become fat, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. See, that's the food I'm cooking.
Okay, for the viewers out there, what
This is my specialty. That's the Benedictus Repollos.
Okay. And you did after yourself, okay?
Yeah. What do you call that chicken?
This chicken,
Yeah.
toktolaok manok.
That's right.
Toktolaok manok.
Good name.
Cool name, okay? Because I'm cool. That's why it's cool.
How about that fish?
Fish. That fish is called. It's delicious. Yeah, it's delicious. So it's done, chef. What do you want me? What do you want me to do next?
Just put it there.
Okay. So
Yeah. I want you to wash this. Remove the rice.
okay.
Yeah. Then do you know how to make kain ka lang?
No, I don't know how.
Okay. Just clean that.
Clean that. Is it
Yeah.
a song?
Yeah. Clean that. Come on. Clean that. Clean that. Clean that. You know what is clean that? It's like this. Look. Let's clean that.
Oh.
Here. Clean that.
I learned something new today.
What?
That word clean that. That's like a word of the day, you know.
Yeah. Later, we're going to ask the viewers. Yeah. Our word for the day.
Yeah, for viewers, there is contest. If you look under your speech, you can see a number, and then after a while, later after the show, for the viewers, we're going to get the number, and if you're lucky, you will win a what's the prize for today? Chef Michael?
A free taste of the Toktolaok manok.
Yeah, and
Then
the
the delicious.
yeah, and
And the
one
Benedictus Repollos.
yeah, you can take it
Okay.
home to your family and enjoy your dinner with them because you know it's very delicious. Chef Michael came actually he just arrived. He came from Europe for a what did you do there in Europe?
Actually, I studied engineering there.
Engineering. Yeah. Me, I arrived. I came from Batasan Hills. You know, I repaired a jeep there. Because you know that driver of the jeep is my friend, and he got a flat tire, and I almost got all the tools. Because before I was a chef, I was a mecanico. You know what a mecanico is? Mecanico is someone that repairs cars. You know, so. I was
It's
very
like the
helpful.
minikaniko ni Monica, makina na minika ni Monica.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's like
that's
that. You know, so we have a lot of work to do. So first,
Actually,
we're going
this is
to
already done.
yeah. So
Yeah.
we're first going to take a commercial break, and after the break, we are going to show you and that's the audience, our audience there. Yeah,
Yeah.
I love you too.
This is, yeah. Knock, knock. We'll be right back.
Okay.